29. 29 na yata, March 1 na bukas. Tapos, pupunta akong baby bunting kasi magkukuha ako ng gift para sa gift registry ng baby shower bukas. May baby shower kami na pupuntahan. Tapos, mamayang hapon badminton. So, dito na ako sa car park, guys. Badminton kami ng mga friends namin, Filipino friends. Meron naman na kaming bumili kami ng non-marking na shoes para sa badminton kasi bawal yung hindi non-marking. Backing lang ako dito, guys. Ayan. So, it's Sabado ngayon. Mamaya kami magsasamba after ng badminton. Laki ng sasakyan na katabi namin. Click and collect lang naman tong sa baby bunting. Makukuha lang to agad. So, saglit lang tayo dito. Yan lang, guys. See you later. Baby bunting. So, let's go. Click and collect lang tayo. So, nakuha ko na, guys. Yan. And meron na din akong paper bag dito. So para bukas 'yan. So let's go home. So andito na ako sa Woolies ngayon, guys. Bili lang ako ng roasted chicken. So madalian lang lunch namin. And uwi kami sa bahay and sasamba. Yun lang. Hi guys, so punta po kami ngayon sa baby shower. Show them. Punta po kami ngayon sa baby shower sa Piara Waters. 30 minutes away siya sa bahay. And team blue kami ni Javi kasi may baby na sila na ka-age ni Javi na girl. So team blue kami, sana baby boy. Tapos nito mag-fishing tayo. Let's go! And Javi is doing his seatbelt by himself.
And I want to show my boy and the monster truck.
Just the monster truck. Okay. Yay! Let's go!
Hi.
So, inaantay lang namin si
Have a
Dad.
good day.
Yeah, have a good day.
I told them have a good day, Mom.
That's good. Naantay lang namin si Dad. Mag-reload ng mga chairs tsaka fishing rod. Tapos, fishing kami mamaya. Excited na ako sa kainan. Wala pa akong kain. Nag-intermittent fasting ako. At low carb diet. So, sana umabot yung gutom. Hindi naman ako nagugutom.
I want to show them the big guy. This thing.
Show them.
Are they going to laugh?
Yeah. Intermittent fasting ng
Did
16
they
to
laugh?
20 hours. Kailan ba
Did
last
they
na?
laugh, Mom?
Yeah. Last na kain namin 3 to 4 p.m. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ano? Intermittent fasting from 4 p.m. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. 22 hours na. 22 hours pa, tama ba? Ewan ko, naguluhan ako. Anyway, yun. From 64 kilograms down to 57.2 kilograms. yung target ko is 50 kilograms. Sana. Para back to normal na kilo ko. Tapos kasi yung gamot ko, nagpapataba din siya. So kailangan talaga mag-diet. Kasi 34 na ako ngayon. Nahihirapan na akong magpapayat. Ayun.
Mom, look. Dad threw that thing, Mama. He threw that.
He threw it. That's okay. Yan lang. Andito na kami guys sa Piara Waters. Kakadating lang namin. It's 2:19. Yan. Maganda yung mga bahay dito. Yan yung gift namin. May gift registry sila. Medyo late na kami guys. How we want to what?
Just you? Yes. Really? What's my parents?
Oh, you choose which one do you like?
Hey, just only one. This one. This one. You want girl?
You want girl?
Okay, the one.
Where are we going? Why?
So, wala pa naman. Naglalaro pa muna sila. Yan. 2 PM yung party pero wala pa masyadong tao. So, let's go. Medyo nakapag-ayos na ako. Nakapag-lipstick na tsaka nakapag-blush. At dala ko na din yung gift. So, lagay natin doon. Let's go.
Yes, yes.